Hi friends, it's Jen Clements with Coastal Life Properties, and I'm here in sunny Cape Canaveral, Florida. I'm excited to share with you our newest listing at 551 Casa Bella in the Bayport condominium community. We are just minutes from the world's largest port, Port Canaveral, and steps to the Atlantic Ocean. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, corner unit condo is simply perfection, and I can't wait to show you around. Come on, let's take a look together. Thanks for taking a look at our amazing new listing right here in Cape Canaveral, Florida. We at Coastal Life Properties would love to schedule a private showing for you to take a look at this super sweet home. Give us a call at 321-633-2313.